Why is monitoring complex for distributed backend systems? Imagine trying to keep tabs on a team of players spread across different fields, each doing their own thing, yet all working toward the same goal. That's what monitoring a distributed backend system feels like. These systems are made up of many independent services running on different servers or cloud environments. Each one operates separately, making it tough to see the full picture at once. You need tools that can gather data from many sources and connect the dots. Services in these systems talk to each other over networks, often asynchronously. That means requests don't happen in a straight line or at the same time. Sometimes, a request from a user might bounce between several services, each adding delays or retries. Tracking this flow becomes complicated because you have to follow the request across multiple network hops. If one service slows down or fails, it's hard to tell where the problem started. Distributed tracing helps here, but it's not simple to set up. You need to add special code to each service to record trace data and make sure all parts work together smoothly. Without proper tracing, pinpointing errors or slowdowns is like finding a needle in a haystack. Logs, metrics, and traces come from many sources, and they often don't match up perfectly. They might be in different formats or recorded at different times. Combining this data into a clear view of what's happening requires careful synchronization. When systems generate large amounts of data, sorting through it all becomes a real challenge. Monitoring can also slow things down if not done carefully. Collecting data takes resources, and if it's not optimized, it can add latency or consume too much CPU and memory. This overhead can impact system performance, especially when monitoring is running on the same servers. Another issue is alert fatigue. Distributed systems produce many alerts, some of which are false alarms or not urgent. Too many alerts can overwhelm the operations team, making it hard to focus on real problems. Tuning alert rules and thresholds is essential to avoid this noise. Finally, services in a distributed system depend on each other. When one fails, it can cause a chain reaction affecting others. Monitoring needs to track these dependencies so teams can find the root cause quickly. But because services are often loosely connected and managed separately, understanding these relationships is tricky. In cloud environments, these challenges grow even more. When applications are spread across multiple cloud hosts or containers, you need to monitor everything from the cloud platform's logging and metrics tools. Setting up dashboards, alerts, and regular updates is key to keeping everything running smoothly. All these factors make monitoring a complex task. It's not just about collecting data but making sense of it across many moving parts. Knowing these challenges helps teams build better monitoring strategies, keeping back-end applications reliable and responsive.